guys, welcome to Electronic Olga. Here we want to talk about this ADXL330 Accelerometer for an analog device. It's a small low power 3-axis plus minus 3 GIMs accelerometer. General description for this accelerometer is that the ADXL330 is a small field low power coupled 3-axis accelerometer with signal conditional voltage outputs on a single model of device. This device basically have a 3-axis sensor, a small low profile package, low power single supply operation from 1.8 to 3.6 volts and has a maximum 10,000 G shock survival, excellent temperature stability, and it can be bandwidth adjustment with a single capacitor per axis. And here you can see the block diagram of the ADXL330 at the output of the signal. Here we have these capacitors, and these capacitors are by two purposes. One of the purposes of this capacitor is for reducing the noise ratio, and another purpose is for having a limited bandwidth of this output signal. And this is the block diagram of the functional block diagram of this device, and we can change the voltage here from 1.8 to 3.6 volts. And we have SD pin, self-test pin, and the 3-axis sensor for sensing, and three outputs, X output, Y output, Z output. These are voltage outputs. Every capacitor in the table have some bandwidth according to that capacitor. For example, when we have 0.01 microfarad capacitor, we have 500 bandwidth in the output of the device. Okay, we're going to somehow talk about these HMCs. These HMCs are magnetic sensors that has three type of magnetic sensors available for HMC. For example, HMC1051 is 1-axis magnetic sensor, and HMC1053 is 3-axis magnetic sensor. Okay, in this datasheet, we have the set or reset pin of the device, and it should be driven by the MOSFETs or by the BJT transistors. And one of the ways to drive these MOSFETs is shown here by using these MOSFETs. But we can use the BJT transistors for driving this pin. As you can see here, it's BJT transistors HMC1051 has this way connected to each other, and we have one capacitor, 1 microfarad, and this type of symmetric design is used for set or reset pin. And these are HMC1051, and we have these parts which makes sense the magnetic fields and give the output of differential pairs to the this amplifier TLC072, and this amplifier would give the differential amplified voltage to this amplifier, and the output is here. You can see that. Okay, right now we come to this part. We have current up to 20 amps, and we can see that by the Ampere law, the magnetic fields are sensed by the sensor, and the sensor makes the differential pair for us, and we can have the differential pair input to the operational amplifier, and this operational amplifier has the output for us. And as you can see here, you can see this design for stereo pin, which has this amplifier and this resistor and 1 microfarad capacitor here. Okay, and at last we come to this part, which is HMC1052 and HMC1051 together. And this is the last application discussed in this video. This is the 2-axis accelerometer with two HMCs, HMC1051 and HMC1052. Together we combine this to have 3-axis compass. Feel free for asking and comments below. Have a nice day ahead.